Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy Access Tech. Today we are going to look at PLG OS, a tool designed to help SaaS business grow faster and smarter. If you have a software business, a tech product, or manage a SaaS company, you know how challenging it is to increase users, retain them, and improve the revenue. PLG OS help you to do all of this from one platform. In this video, I will explain how it works, why it is useful, and also how you can get it with AppSumo with a lifetime deal. So make sure you stay until end the video. So first, what is PLG OS? Simply, it is a product-led growth platform. That means it helps you to understand how users interact with your software, how they move through your product, and where you can improve to increase engagement, conversation, and the retention also. Instead of guessing what works, you can get a real-time insight and actionable data. And in this time, PLG OS has become stronger. The dashboard are more advanced and analytics are very faster, and it now has better integration with like CRM, email, marketing, automation, and this kind of thing. For example, you can see which features are most used, which users are likely churn, and where to focus to your product update. This makes your growth strategy more precise and effective. Another great feature is the automation. You can automate message in app notification and email to guide users to the right theme. So this increases the chances to users will adopt more feature, upgrade their plan, or stay active. For beginners, it may seem complex at first, but the platform has a lot of templates, so you can use them step by step and make a simple setup. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. The pros are very clear: product insight, growth analytics, automation, and integration with other tools. The cons is that for very large SaaS companies with extremely complex setup, some advanced customization may require extra time. But for most SaaS business, PLG OS gives everything you need to grow effectively. And of course, the price is important. On the official website, PLG OS has subscription plan, and if you pay monthly or yearly, it can get expensive. But here's the good news. Through AppSumo, you can get the lifetime access for the PLG OS. This means you pay once and you can get it forever. So no monthly fees needed. So if you plan to grow your SaaS product with long term, this is the smartest way to get access and save the money. So PLG OS in present time is an all-in-one growth platform for SaaS companies. It helps you to track user, understand product uses, automate engagement, and increase the revenue. And using the AppSumo lifetime deal is the best way to get the tool at lower price and own it forever. So check the description below, click the special link, and grab your lifetime deal before it ends, because this platform can really help your SaaS business grow faster and smarter. So that's all for today's video about PLG OS. I hope this video helped you. If this did, then please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.